Welcome everyone to NASDAQ, SPX, and Dow Jones. Let's see the US stock indices, what they are doing today within this creepy move here after hitting this target zone as you were looking for the 1.27 and starting to see a very strong signal here as an ABC, and especially that we need the time here. So why the market is very in hurry to push toward the upside here? Is it faking out us again and knowing that we still need to finish this 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5? Is it looking for the 0.38? Okay, it can be possible still, but the time is still remaining here. So why is it in a hurry directly to push for higher here? I don't see a reason for it. Maybe it can be, of course, the A, B, and a C, D, and a E once it reaches the 0.38 Fibonacci here, and it starts to calm down somehow and show some weakness again, and then pushing toward the downside finally to finish this structure as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Because of course this is the longest wave here, definitely you have something as an impulse. Otherwise you want to see invalidation. 28k 222 finished in a W, X, and a Y. Very ugly, by the way. So if this is gonna be like another W, X, and a wave Y, that's also kind of like a question mark. How a wave Y is a W, X, and a Y, which is not really recommended, or it's a very, very rare case scenario as well. One of the most rare case scenarios where you have a WX and a Y in a wave Y. That's why I think that wave 4 and a 5 is still there to unfold somehow, and still looking for potential triangle here is gonna calm down somewhere here, what I believe. It can be, of course, something here on the 15-minute chart that, yeah, I mean, this is a very strong momentum building up here. Again, I don't find any reasons for it, so therefore the market is just simply bullish by sentiments, I would say. And of course, something is loading the market there, guys. But so be careful, of course. Currently, the 1 hour chart still under the zero line. This is gonna play as a resistance, so expect here a drop down again on the 1 hour chart. 4 hours, well, I don't see even any bullish signal yet. Despite this move here, okay, it can be building up something as bullish, but it might be weak again, and it might be, even if you build up a bullish here, you might go into sideways, as I mentioned, in triangle, showing weakness and then pushing toward the downside, guys. Right? So I don't see yet any strong signal again for the bullish. The bearish here for the MACD as well. We are looking at an open MACD and signal lines here under the zero, and we're still building up a momentum. So the momentum is still strong here for the daily. And okay, maybe it's a 1 day for recovering. All right, that's fine. But I mean, recovering from what? It's a very annoying market, right? So I mean, it has been like overlapping for a long time. So why we still overlapping? Okay, wave 4 is there. We'll see, guys, step by step. 28k 222 is our invalidation, and we'll take it from there. If the invalidation is taken, okay, thank you. We know what we are going to do next, right? So that therefore reversal. Currently, because of this strong move towards the upside, I'm pushing towards 55 against 45 for the bullish, guys. For SPX, we took, of course, exactly this low just by barely touching it, yeah, because the market wants to play with us, right? So basically, we have a kind of like a triangle, a B here. This is your high, by the way. A, B, C, D, and a E. If this is the case that SPX is doing here, yeah, that's very, very horrible and very annoying, because it's gonna take a very long time here to finish this correction before pushing toward the upside. Otherwise, I would like to see continuation toward the downside, but how? I mean, we just took invalidation in case we are in 1, 2, 3, wait for interfere in the zone 1 again, which is horrible. So be careful, of course. This will bring our bearish back to 55 against 45 percent. So very likely that the wave D might be unfolding still, and a wave E again. I need a decisive move here to take the low to remove the triangle. Yeah, so we cannot move to this target as a large A, B, and a C yet before removing this key level there and removing totally the triangle. Yeah, so this is regarding SPX, very ugly. price, guys. So for Dow Jones again, Dow Jones is looking so much in red, and it's still, of course, looking very impulsive, knowing that we had a signal of strength and we start to see some really good signal of strength here. So we gotta be careful. Okay, if this is gonna end up as something as 5 waves, it's horrible because your wave 3 is shorter than wave 1, shorter than wave 5, which is not allowed in any case scenario. Any pattern for Elliott Wave, this is not allowed as a wave 3 shorter than the wave 1 or wave 5, whether expanding diagonal, whether a contracting diagonal or an impulse. So all of them cannot work here. So what is going on there? It's horrible. I still believe it's something as W and X here and a wave Y, but it's going to be a very complex structure. This, what does it mean right now? This push toward the upside and the invalidation again means that we are going in a much more complex structure here, right? Very complex one. And it's going to take a lot of time before it realizes, oops, I have to go towards the upside to finish the bull run, right? With a final high there. So I don't see any finished high, yeah, so all-time high within this structure, which is horrible. So what it means, yeah, it's gonna range like in a lot of choppiness here, and then start an impulse finally to finish the final move there. So all of it is gonna be your wave 4 over there, just like that, guys. Yeah, so we'll see how this is gonna play. So for Dow Jones, we still, of course, into a bearish much more than bullish. I don't see any signal of strength anyway. So we're gonna keep it at 60 against, of course, 40% over there for Dow Jones. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Welcome to KG Trading Discord community, the place where you get everything you need to stay updated with the market, get important community news, weekly reports, channel updates, all in one place. Be the first to know when a new YouTube video or member-only video is available with instant notifications in our Discord. Receive quick morning market updates before YouTube analysis for Bitcoin, gold, silver, and the US stock indices. You can request a technical analysis for your favorite crypto coins or stocks and join our communities for crypto stocks and metals. Get trading signals, entry levels, targets, and risk management strategies to help you trade with more confidence and more safety. You also get access to our trading view charts, Elliott Wave setup, and special KG trading indicators. You can join us through Patreon or YouTube membership using the links below. I'm looking forward to welcoming you to the KG trading community.